In this video we're going to be going over how you can get the perfect skin tones even if you're using cameras that don't have the greatest out of camera colours. Yes, that includes Sony, Panasonic and even some older generation Nikon DSLRs. If you're new to my channel, then please consider subscribing. I post every week on photography and videography, so definitely stick around for that. Anyway, let's get back on track. If you're using a Sony mirrorless stills camera, then I've got just the video for you. This is on how to achieve great out of camera colours. This will definitely be really helpful as you want everything to be as best as it possibly can be straight out of camera to get the best results. I'll leave a link in the description to where you can find that video. So I went and shot a couple of clips on the Sony A6300 as that is a camera with slightly questionable colour science to say the least. However, I did shoot with the custom picture profile settings that I revealed in my previous video, so we got much more accurate colours straight out of the camera, which obviously is ideal. So moving inside of Premiere Pro, you can see that I've already got a video on the timeline ready to go, along with an adjustment layer. When I was doing research for this video to make sure that the information that I was giving out was genuine, it wasn't false, it wasn't misleading, and it's accurate to how this should be done. Many people, including industry professionals, apply their manipulations first and then they deal with the skin tones. So that's the approach that we're going to do. I'm not going to be doing anything fancy, just something quick and simple. Alright then, now we're going to be getting to the bread and butter of this video. So what you want to do is double click on your original clip in the timeline, navigate to the effect controls and create a rough mask. I'm using the preset circle mask as I'm going to be circling the face of our subject. Don't worry too much about the eyes or the eyebrows or the lips. As long as the skin tone dominates this circle frame, you should be pretty good. Next, click on your adjustment layer, go to Lumetri Scopes and select Vector Scope YUV. We're going to be paying attention to the upper line of this cross, the one that looks like it's pointing to 11 o'clock. We want to make sure that our skin tones fall along this line. The great thing about this is that this works for all races and all complexions. Go over to the Curves tab, scroll down and select the Pipette tool from Hue versus Saturation. Select an area of the skin tone, adjust the curves here. A little tip is that if you hold down Shift, then the point on the curve will stay along the vertical line. Select the Pipette tool for Hue versus Hue, select an area of the skin tone, and adjust the curves until the skin tones fall across that line on our vector scope. Once you're happy, just go back to your original clip and delete the mask that we made at the start. These skin tones should look really nice on a color calibrated monitor. So there we have it. It's a really nice way to get accurate skin tones, especially if you're worried that your camera doesn't have the best color science. If you like the video, then don't forget to give it a like. It really helps me out in beating the YouTube algorithm. Comment and let me know how you got on using this method. Finally, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all of my future uploads. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.